What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website, coming in live at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. This is the dual break of the 2011 Panini Limited and Crown Royal. First things first, going to generate the roster using random.org. There is the list of 16 people that bought into the break tonight. Gonna copy that list. Generate a Group A roster first. Randomize it 5 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Copy that list and we'll paste it against the list of teams we had on the website. Oops. Still had it filled in from the last time. Clear that out quick. Alright, paste it in. Quick format it, and then we'll randomize the list for Group B. Grab the original list. Start a new list. Going to randomize Group B 5 times as well. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Copy that list and paste it in Group B. Alright, here's the roster for Group A. Sorry about that, names ran a little long. And Group B. Alright, we'll start with the Crown Royal first, finish with the limited Crown Royals 4 packs, 6 cards per pack, and 1 hit per pack. Here's the checklist. Pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Rookie for the Bears, Nathan Enderle. That's the blue parallel version, number 22 out of 100. Bears are going to Tad. Up next, Majestic Prime Patch for the Cowboys, Miles Austin. Cowboys are going to Ben. And that is the die cut version. This one should be low print, and it is 24 out of 50. A nice hit, Ben. For the Broncos, Brandon Lloyd. Rookie for the Cowboys, Bruce Carter. Cowboys, Bob Lilly. And Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Chiefs, Jamal Charles. Ooh, very nice. Very hot right now for the San Francisco 49ers. Colin Kaepernick, rookie on card auto with a double patch, one on the left, one on the right, and the right one is very nice. 4 colors, 3 different colors and stitching. 49ers are going to Joseph R. Very nice hit, Joseph. And that one is numbered 283 out of 299. Get you another look at that one. Very cool looking card. Raiders Legends Willie Brown. Chargers rookie Jonas Mouton. Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles, and Ryan Fitzpatrick for the Bills. Jags rookie Blaine Gabbert. Rookie jersey patch for the Broncos, Von Miller. Broncos tonight are going to Tad. Very nice, Tad. That one numbered 27 out of 299. He's a beast. Dolphins, Clyde Gates. Rookie for the Bears, Nathan Enderle. Another Bears, Matt Forte. And for the Colts, Peyton Manning. Pack number 4 of the Crown Royal. And we'll get into the limited. Titans, Nate Washington. Rookie jersey patch for the Patriots, Shane Vereen. Patriots are going to Jaime. This one is numbered 92 out of 299. Titans, Bo Scaife. Rookie for the Raiders, Steven Wisniewski. Raiders, Shane Leckler. And Seahawks, John Carlson. And here is the box of the limited. This one is just one pack. 8 cards. Going to be 1 autograph, 1 jersey patch, and then a third, either autograph or jersey patch. Alright, bottom card first for the Patriots, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis. That one numbered to 499. Redskins, Rex Grossman, 499 as well. Legend, Jim Otto. That one to 499. Browns rookie phenom, Jordan Cameron. And 499 as well. Legend for the Redskins, Doug Williams. And that one numbered 39 out of 50. Nice short print. Redskins going to Danny H. Nice hit, Danny. First hit going to the Miami Dolphins, Brian Hartline. Jersey patch, this one numbered 64 out of 99. Dolphins tonight are going to Ben. Nice hit, Ben. Up next, very nice. For the Cardinals, Beanie Wells Reebok logo patch. This one, prime patch, numbered 1 of 1. Nice hit, Pat. I believe that's going to Pat. Cardinals. Yep. A very cool card, Pat. 101 Reebok logo patch. Hopefully Beanie will be healthy and back soon. And up last, got a redemption card, Material Phenoms rookie card 230. These are the rookie on card autos with the team name jersey patch. Take a look at the redemption or the checklist. Figure this one's going to 230 is going to Clyde Gates and the Miami Dolphins. Dolphins are going to Ben. Thanks everybody for getting in the dual break tonight. Have a great Thanksgiving tomorrow, and we're back at it Friday night. See you then.